welcome to my channel, The Hungry Bazaar, which is an online shopping channel. And today I came to visit one outlet called Ashok Hardware. This is an exclusive outlet of all the door handle, door locks and all the hardware and wardrobe and all. So this comes in a street called Kumbarpet, which comes in Bengaluru, India. And their Google Maps is there in description below. And the landmark for this place is Norva Chai. Norva Chai Google Maps is also there in description below. So I'm just showing you the location. I'm standing in this Silver Jubilee Park, which comes nearby KR Market. So this Silver Jubilee Park. So when you come to Silver Jubilee Park, just remember this outlet Shri Visco. From here, just follow the location. And then immediate left. Just take this left. This is a landmark Norva Chai, and they are also there in Google Maps. So when you come here, just you have to go like this. And this market, this comes in Bengaluru. So this market, and when you come here, you can just have a look. This is a bit further. You can just check. This is his outlet, Ashok Hardware, exclusive outlet of all the wardrobe accessories, modular kitchen, amazing products you will get here. Door handles, door locks, and they are into this business for many years. Number is on video screen. If you want to know any detail, you want to purchase their products, you can WhatsApp them. They'll send you all the details, but amazing products. You'll get high quality products, premium products, and that too for wholesale price. Of this place, his name is Mr. Rishabh. Hi Rishabh, welcome to my show. Rishabh, tell me something about your studio. What and all you get over here?
Welcome to Ashok Hardware. We sell door handles, window handles, hinges, double door handles, wardrobe accessories, modular kitchen, tin room box, swing corner.
How many years over for you in this business?
We are there for 4 years. We are importers.
Okay, and
brand Hiroki.
Okay, and what is the brand name of your product?
Hiroki. Connect to us on Instagram, YouTube, and our website www.hiroki.in.
Okay, and they can buy from your website also?
Yeah, they can buy from our website anytime.
Okay.
They can buy from our website. It's 24 hours live.
Alright. And would you like to show some sample of your products and all?
Sure. Okay, inches gate hooks
and
small tower bolts. You'll get it all finish, all size, ready available.
Okay.
Cool. So this
Any
is
starting
brass.
price you want to tell in this?
Yeah, it starts from 100 rupees and ranges around till 5,000 rupees.
Okay.
It depends on the size and it's complete PVD coating tower bolts.
Okay. And in this, how many varieties will get one?
You will be getting around 100 varieties of tower bolts and all drops.
Okay.
Then we have this fancy main door handle, single door handles, which is 4 feet around.
Okay.
Complete brass, PVD coated.
Okay.
And you get 15 years of variety.
Okay.
No one will be giving you 15 years of variety anywhere.
Okay. 15 years of warranty. Okay.
So, and
in this one, how many varieties will get?
You will be getting around 40 varieties of handles.
Okay.
From the sizes from 48, 4 feet, 3 feet, 2 feet, 1 feet.
Okay. And then these are the door handles.
These are the door handles, which are all drops.
Okay.
You'll be getting in all varieties, set, single piece, everything.
In this, you want to tell any starting price?
This starts around 450 rupees.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
Nice. Just 450 rupees. And it will go till 2000, 3000 also?
3000.
All prices are different.
Yeah.
And then this is all also you'll get?
Yeah, this are all of the fancy doors.
Okay. So in this also you'll get almost 100 varieties?
Yeah, complete brass. 100 varieties.
Okay. So again you can
and
just have
you have this small handles for the back side.
Okay.
You have in all the range, all the varieties from aluminium, brass, SS.
Very nice.
Everything is available.
Okay.
This is double door. You'll be getting in rose gold, gold finish, pure brass, SS, steel.
Okay.
You'll be getting all the sizes, all the varieties. 8 inches, 6 inches, everything is available.
Okay.
And we have this premium one, which is
nice
door knockers for your doors.
Okay.
You'll be getting all the varieties, ready stock available, 100 piece, it's available.
In this starting price anything?
Starting price is 550 rupees.
550, okay, cool. Depends on size and variety.
Size. It goes around to 2,500 rupees.
And what do you want to tell about the quality of your products?
It's complete brass, you'll be getting 15 years of warranty.
Okay.
Anything happens, you have piece-to-piece replacement from the company.
Nice.
And this is
stunning
trending door handles for the door locks. You'll be getting in all the size, all the varieties.
This from what price it will start?
It starts from 850 rupees and goes around to 6,000 rupees.
And what about the durability?
This you have 10 years of warranty.
Okay, nice.
So anything happens, piece-to-piece replacement, come to Ashok Hardware, you'll get the.
And if someone wants in bulk, they can get.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
So
wow, this is very nice.
This is the wardrobe accessories.
Okay.
From that, start with clothes pull out.
Okay.
So this is the clothes pull out.
Nice.
Which is automatically soft close.
Okay.
And this is
very nice.
jewelry box.
You can keep multi-purpose.
Yeah, multi-purpose.
This all are multi-purpose.
This is saree pull out.
Nice.
And this is a cosmetic pull out.
Very nice, yeah, this is.
complete soft closing.
Looks very premium.
Automatically gets closed.
This, any starting price you want to tell, anything?
It starts from 4,000 rupees.
But worth.
And goes around till 12,000 rupees.
Wow.
Pantry unit. It
Nice.
starts around from 8,000 rupees and goes till 80,000. You
Okay.
get in all varieties: glass, regular, flat line, shutter. Usually used in luxury kitchens.
Very nice.
So, and this is your elevator pull-out, which will be automatically.
So in this you get white color or other colors also?
We have 4 colors in this:
Okay.
black, silver, white, grey.
Nice. Very
So
nice.
all
this
sizes
is.
are available. This is elevator pull-out, which is automatically shut down.
Very nice.
So this
Very
starts
comfortable.
around 4,000 rupees.
Okay. And if someone wants 4 kind of
Yeah.
slab also they can get.
No, this is 2 slabs.
2 slabs
Only
only.
2 slabs.
Okay. Customized can be
Yeah.
done little
So
bit.
this is our hot cake item.
Okay.
You won't be finding anywhere. This is mirror. It's 2,000 price. No one will be giving in this price.
Nice.
Anywhere. So we have mortise handles,
Very nice.
legs,
Okay.
types of legs, marble legs, color legs.
Okay. So this all are the door locks.
Yeah.
Again. Very nice.
These are the locks. This is for the curtains.
Okay.
If you are building a new house or reconstructing it, or carpenter is working, architectures, we have special discounts for builders, architectures, carpenters.
Okay. These are bathroom accessories.
These are bathroom accessories, complete bathroom accessories. This is foldable.
Cool.
So you can fold if you are not using it. If you have a compact place, you can fold.
So in
it.
bathroom accessories like one 20-30 varieties you'll get?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
We have in all colors: rose gold, gold,
Okay.
black, matte, every color.
And what are the timings of your outlet?
We start from morning 10 o'clock
Okay.
to evening 9 o'clock.
And Sundays?
Sundays we have half day
Okay.
till 1 o'clock. So this is swing corner pull out.
Very
I
nice.
can guarantee you no one can give you this price.
Okay.
Anywhere.
Nice.
I'll start it from 4,500.
Okay.
Swing corner soft pull out, 15 years of warranty.
Okay.
And this is magic pull out,
Okay. Cool. Nice.
soft closing. This
And
all are
what,
soft
what about the
closing.
delivery and installation?
We give you on-site delivery.
Okay.
And installation will be from company.
Okay.
The charges will be extra. If your carpenter is there is not issue. Anyone
Nice.
can install. You will be getting a guide.
Okay.
This is tandem box. Starts from 950 rupees. Only 950.
Okay.
We have baskets also.
Nice. All exclusive products
Yeah,
here.
it's all the luxury
Nice.
item with a basket.
Okay. Cool.
I'll give you guarantee. This is pure SS rod
Okay.
with PVC.
Nice.
This nothing is gonna happen to this.
Oh, wow. Nice.
Anywhere, anytime. It's only 4,000 rupees.
Okay.
This price no one can give you. We have knobs also, variety
Okay.
of knobs.
Nice.
It's around 500 varieties of knob.
Okay. This starting price is what of knobs?
Starting price is 80 rupees.
Okay.
And it goes around till 800 rupees.
Nice.
We
And
have
this is-
SS handles. These are
Okay.
pure SS handles.
Okay.
Which starts from 40 rupees.
Okay.
And goes around till 400 rupees.
Nice.
We have varieties of hooks
Okay.
for cloth hanging, key hanging, everything. It starts from 40 rupees and goes around till 800 rupees.
Nice.
These are our premium handles,
Okay.
which starts from 200 rupees
Okay.
and goes around till 800 rupees.
Nice.
We
Very
have
nice.
this long door handles.
Okay. Very nice.
It starts from 100 rupees and goes around till 800 rupees. Rocks from Godrej, Europa, Hafele, Heritage, all brands are available at the cheapest price.
Okay.
And
Wow.
we have
Can
cylinder locks also in all the colors available.
okay. Can you just turn around this?
Sure.
Wow. Just see like this also you'll
We
get.
have laser key available,
Wow.
computer key available.
And digital locks also you
Yeah,
have.
sure, we have digital locks also.
Okay. And this?
And these are the fancy key holders,
Okay.
rotatable. I
Nice.
can guarantee you nowhere in the market will be getting that at our price.
Any starting price you want?
Yeah, it's only 550 rupees.
Nice. Cool.
Godrej digital locks also.
Okay.
You'll be getting number lock,
Okay.
fingerprint, regular access, card access,
Okay.
and key access also.
Okay. So this can be operated by app also anything?
Yeah, no, it's operated by phone also.
Phone.
You'll be getting a OTP. From OTP you can put the PIN. You'll get in 2 varieties.
Okay.
One more is this.
Okay.
You have only fingerprint and card access in this.
Okay.
This will be around 11,000 rupees starting.
Okay.
And this will cost you around 22,000 rupees starting.
What is the difference between this and this?
Varieties. You
Okay.
get
More features.
More features in this. You don't get more features in this.
Okay.
That's
Cool.
it.
Nice.
We have these headboards also.
Okay.
In all the ranges, in all the varieties.
So how
We have
does it
headboards.
goes the pricing and all for this?
It starts from 1,200 rupees.
Okay.
And goes around till 10,000 rupees.
Okay. Depends on the
Yeah,
size.
variety, size and variety.
And how many varieties you will get in this?
You'll be getting 100 varieties.
Okay. Cool.
So,
Nice. And what do you want to tell
rather-
about the quality of this headboard?
It's 15 years warranty, nothing is gonna. If you use cushion or something, it will be giving you only 500 varieties. I
Okay.
can guarantee you this will give you 15 years of warranty.
Nice. So, if how much of people want, like in quantity?
Yeah,
also
you'll
they'll
get in quantity. Ready stock available. If you want 100 pieces, you get 100 pieces. If you want 500 pieces, you'll be getting 500 pieces. If you want 2 pieces also, you'll be getting.
Nice.
There is no MOQ in this.
And what about the fitting and customization that you will do?
This will be done by a carpenter.
Okay.
Any carpenter can do it. It's easy to fit.
Nice. I want to tell that this studio is having superb collections of all the hardware and all the wardrobes and all. We'll highly recommend you people also come to the studio. I'm sure you'll become the regular customers. I'll meet you in another new happy shopping destination. Till then, have a great time.